Are you ready to kick it with Kenny?
I'm ready.
Are
He's
you
one
ready?
of our favorite guys.
Yes.
Well, Kenny too, but
I just hate
Kenny
he
Hatfield.
can't, you know, we can't really see him. Hey, Kenny, good morning.
Well, anytime you say Kenny's one of my favorite guys, I'll take it, even if it's directed for another Ken. Hey, I'll take it, you know.
He has the
Beggars
best
can't be choosers.
cookies,
Yes,
doesn't
he does.
Kenny?
He usually brings them to the station.
Yes, the cookies. I know, and you guys usually get them because I'm out, and now I'm with him.
Right.
I guess who's getting a cookie today?
Oh,
I love it.
Shame on you.
Friend of the show, Ken Hatfield, also a favorite spot of Todd Meany. We're here at Hatfield's Good Grub in West Park. All right, Ken, good to see you. I'm going to come on this side.
All right.
So I can socially distance in your little space there. Okay.
Perfect.
You're whipping up a very famous burger for us, right?
A very famous burger. I'm whipping up the Bacon Mayfield.
The Bacon Mayfield
The
burger.
Bacon Mayfield will actually come right off the grill here.
Yeah.
We stick it on the flat top. I've got some bacon that I chopped off. It's a 1/4 pound of bacon. We put it right on top there.
Nice.
Then I put 3 kinds of cheese, a little cheddar, a little mozzarella, some Swiss American. I'm going to grab something right here from behind you. Sorry about that. And then we stick this right on top of there like that. Some little water in there. And like we were talking, the magic of TV, the visual thing goes on.
Yeah.
That steam just melts that cheese right down onto the grill top. It gets a nice little crust, like that cheesy crunch.
Yeah.
And we take that off of there and
Look
look
at
at that.
Boom. All of a sudden, it's melted perfectly.
And we take that off there. We get all that cheesy goodness right there. We're going to put it over here on this burger. Like that. So it's a 1/4 pound, it's a 1/2 pound burger, a 1/4 pound of bacon, 3 cheeses, homemade pickled jalapenos go right on top. A little something dangerous, right?
You're right.
And a couple tomatoes for some acid. And then our homemade honey mustard sauce, which you'll be able to get that pretty soon, goes right on top. And then we serve it because we don't want Baker falling apart like he did this weekend, right? We throw a little knife right in there, boom.
The Bacon Mayfield
That is the
burger.
Bacon Mayfield burger right there.
Oh my goodness! Or the Cleveland Clinic burger, whichever.
That's right. It comes with some hardened arteries.
Yeah, right. Okay, so you have some other food over there.
Yeah, I got some other grub over here if you want to step back.
Just
take a
point
look.
to it so Jimmy knows what you're talking about.
Jimmy, the first one is a brisket dinner. We 14-hour slow smoke our brisket.
You know.
And then I chop it up on the flat top, add our Cleveland barbecue sauce to it, caramelized onions, bread and butter pickles, our homemade potato salad and coleslaw.
Oh, love it.
Next thing is our famous all-in burger. That was created back when the
Right.
that has bacon, cheddar, our 14-hour slow smoke pulled pork barbecue, both of our signature sauces, the dill and the Cleveland sauce and caramelized onions. And then these are hand-cut red potato fries. Nobody does those in town.
Yeah, red potato.
So that's kind of an exclusive to Hatfield's. Our hash is made with that. Our potato salad's made with those.
Okay.
So,
Awesome.
yeah, lots of good food.
Slide the Bacon Mayfield over there so we end on that. How about that? I know you guys are jealous now. Friend of the show, Ken Hatfield.
The Bacon
from the
Mayfield,
original
better known
Hatfield.
as the Cleveland.
The Bacon Mayfield. Isn't that great?
That's great.
We call it the Cleveland Clinic burger. Yeah, you that bad boy.
We don't take the chance.
Talk about a clogged artery. Wow.
It's 4 to 10 every day we're open right now. Those are our hours.
Oh boy.
Oh, that looks so good.
It looks great.